Hi, Greg Ahbe with TAG, the Ahbe Group, President and CEO insurance agency in Colorado and throughout the country. Basically, I was in the insurance business as a captive agent, working with one product, one company, and saw very quickly that it was very hard to represent to the public just one product and market just one company. There's so many opportunities out there with different carriers today. You want to be able to offer a full array of products to the client. I think that they are knowledgeable enough today to realize that there are different choices, and because of that we have the opportunity for them to look at different companies, and when they do that we can do the best job for the clients. We're a full service agency. We have close to 300 agents throughout the United States, and we represent all products from auto and home insurance, renter's insurance, to a full line of commercial insurance, from workers' comp insurance to commercial insurance, BOPs. It's everything really that a consumer needs on the insurance side of things. We also offer life insurance and health insurance to consumers also. So a multi-array of products that really one-stop shopping with a multitude of carriers. Some carriers might be better in certain areas, and that's why we put them with different companies. Again, it's an interesting scenario, and I kind of have a phrase that I've talked to a lot of our agents, and I've kind of lived with since I've been in the business: go small, get it all. Meaning that you start with one product and really build a relationship with a client and do a good job with them and get to know them and really explain to them what we can do and how we can really take care of all their insurance needs. I think it works well. Instead of going the other way, we're going as a great white elephant and trying to get something that's humongous. It just doesn't work that way. I think it's a trust element. I mean, we're really taking care of a very valuable asset, obviously, for the consumer, and they want to make sure they're dealing with the right person, the right carrier, and the right company. So we really pride ourselves in making sure our agents understand that, and we've got great companies behind us, so we've done a good job in that, I think. Obviously, the internet has changed the way people shop for insurance, the way people shop in general for everything. Some of the statistics shows that a lot of the younger people are buying insurance more through the internet, but as they get a little bit older and their net worth starts to get a little bit higher, and a multitude of cars and kids on policies and what they're doing, they're using the agents. So maybe it's coming out that the internet is getting a lot of shopping, but again, for them to push a button to say that they want to put their risk and say that they do have the right coverages, they're not doing that now. And some of the data is showing that there's a lot of shopping, but there's not a lot of issuing going on. So, we have a license, and we're educated, and we hopefully know what the consumer needs and wants. So the biggest changes, I think, really is just the idea that people can shop on the internet. All the carriers are all saying that they're the cheapest. The cheapest always isn't the best. I mean, that's not the way to go, especially when you're talking about doing protecting our assets. So I think they're all trying to get you in the door. Once they get you in the door, then all of a sudden some things change. So we want to make sure that we're getting with the right carrier immediately up front, do a good background check on what you really have and what the risk elements are, and make sure that you're protected. So it's changing, though. It is changing on a daily basis, and we try to stay ahead of that with web design and drive business to our agents to make sure that the consumer can see what we offer and how we operate, and then marry them with the right product. Get on the TAG website, the Ahbe Group website, and we, from a zip code location, they can pull up an agent that's local to them. Our slogan within our company is local agent, national power. And the idea is that we've got great companies behind us that are nationally recognized companies, but they can deal with an agent right beside them. So get on the website, it'll drive you to that agent, and then you can put in some or answer some questions. And an agent will be in touch with you by email or give you a call and set up a meeting, and then they can do the due diligence to find out what coverages you need and the amount that you need and how you're best protected. The TAG website is tagins.net. TAG, we pride ourselves in our executive team. We've got a strong executive group of people that have been in the industry a long time, from underwriting to claims to marketing, to make sure that we're doing the right things. And I'm very proud of the people that we've got in our corporate headquarters to take care of our agents in a very positive and nurturing way, to make sure that we're behind the scenes taking care of them. And I think it's one of the best in the industry. We're growing immensely just because I think we've got a good footprint, and we're absolutely there for the consumer every day to make sure that they've got the right coverages and they're covered and they're protected properly. And our agents, they're state of the art in their web design and what they've got. So we're very proud of what we've got, and we're happy the direction we're going. So.